Hello ladies and gentlemen, UK PP Junior here, and this time I've got part 2 of Hail Blizzard. Let's start with pack 1 then, shall we? Fungoose, Jigglypuff, Wigglytuff, Darumaka, Semisage, and Zapdos Hollow. I think UK Pokepal might be falling out with me. Vanillish, Litwick, Wigglytuff, Lapras, and Semisage. Patilli, Pawniard, Darumaka, Sorshbuck, and Silent. This is pack 4. Not Litwick, Lampert, Vanillite, Krillia, Silent, and Chandelier Hollow. Maybe I won't get any EXs.
Maybe you won't get any EXs. That'd be a bit weird, one EX from the box, wouldn't it?
Back 5, Pawniard, Litwick, Vanillux, Vanillish, Weasel, and Behayem. Right, that is part 2. Stay tuned for the final part, part 3, coming your way tomorrow. Bye.